Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking product promo Facebook post for your business. If you're running campaigns, advertising a product, and want to create a post yourself, you can do it in Canva. So the best part of Canva is that you don't have to create your Facebook post from scratch. You can simply modify templates created by professional and creative designers. Create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and type Product Promo Facebook Post. Since we are creating a post for Facebook, that's why we have added Facebook. If you want to create one for Instagram, you can write Instagram instead of Facebook. Now you can see that Canva has suggested some templates. To explore all the available CL, click on CL. Now you can see all the available templates, from minimal to professional-looking designs. I can simply modify any of them and make it my own. So maybe I will go with this one, or this one. I think I'll go with this one, and this one is free and looks good as well. You can simply explore the options, and whichever one you like, click Customize this template. After that, you can see that I have full access to edit whatever I want. I can modify anything I want. Starting with the text, these are the features available for text. You can add text here. Double-click on it to add or remove text. For more features, go to the Font menu. If you want to change or adjust the font, you can try out the available options. This option is for resizing your text, and this one is for changing colors. For similar features, go to the available options and try them out. You will get an idea of what the features do. That was all about text customization. Moving on to the background, if you want to change the background color of this template, simply click on the background and go to the color option. You can simply pick any color you like. Now, if you want to replace the image in the template with your own, go to Upload and upload an image from your PC. Your image will appear here. What you can do is simply drag it like this. If you want to reposition your image, double-click on it and adjust it like this. If you want to resize your image, simply drag it like this. You can make it bigger or make it smaller like this. You can also reposition your image like this. You can modify whatever you want. Add your own text, add your own image, include your contact details, and customize your branding colors. Everything you need. When you're done and satisfied with your design and modifications, rename your file. Then go here and click Download. Download it in PNG or any other format you need. Once downloaded, your product promo Facebook post is ready to upload and use in your campaign. Thank you for watching.